My name is Ayush Agarwal and I am from HPTI Kanpur. I am personally presently enrolled in the BTech program doing specialization in chemical technology. I saw a poster of Go Analytics on my college notice board, and I just have some interest in finance, so I just want to know what the program is, and further I look up the program and enroll for this. As you know, people are making a good money in this, big money I would say. So everyone wants to make a money, so I also want to pursue the same course for this. Key highlights would be the campus of IIT Kanpur that the program is in, and the faculty is good, and the mentor is also good. The director is also very supportive for the program, and he comes every day to ask what is the problem and what could be the amendments they can make to make the program much better. I would rate it 8, I guess. Like in my experience, I thought that this program is very much new, and the program is not well designed, because the examples we are not working on some particular examples on that. We are working on much theory, and the people from the different scenario. I'm doing a BTech from chemical technology, and I just don't know anything about the start. Like a bit idea of in advance would help me much better, and I would also want to add that obviously in 11 days you cannot a mastermind of this analytics, so you have to work so hard for this program. So the first is Excel. I'm getting the advanced Excel certification, and second is I'm actually becoming handy on using analytics software like R, and the faculty also said that the SAS, that is, and SPSS, that the most widely used tool in the industry, is more complemented from the R. So I guess that would be the more. No, I guess you don't need to be in a specific domain for this program. You just have to be very dedicated and interested in finance and this analytics thing, and you would be very okay with this work. Yeah, obviously. You can learn a lot in 11th to 12th if you have a potential, if you have any interest in finance, and if you want to work so hard, like you can give a whole day in front of a laptop, then you can actually enroll for this program. I would say that is a sentence like, if you have the guts, please enroll it.